You type a question into ChatGPT. A few seconds later, it gives you a detailed answer, writes code, explains a difficult concept, or creates an entire story. It feels like the AI understood exactly what you asked. But here is the surprising truth. ChatGPT does not think or understand language the way humans do. At its core, it repeatedly does one thing: predicts what should come next. So how can predicting the next word create something that feels intelligent? Let's break it down. ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Grok, and similar tools are powered by large language models, or LLMs. An LLM can be simplified into two main parts. The first is the model itself, which contains billions of numerical values called parameters. You can think of parameters as tiny, adjustable controls. During training, they are continuously updated until the model becomes better at identifying patterns in language. The second part is the software that runs the model. It receives your question, converts it into a form the model can process, performs billions of calculations, and returns the generated answer. Before an LLM can answer questions, it must be trained. The first stage is called pre-training. During pre-training, the model processes enormous amounts of text from books, articles, websites, documentation, and other written material. It does not store all that text like files inside a computer. Instead, it learns patterns. It learns which words often appear together, how sentences are structured, and how different concepts, writing styles, and programming languages are connected. Imagine giving the model this incomplete sentence. The capital of France is... Based on the patterns it learned, the model predicts that Paris is the most likely next word. Then it predicts the next piece, followed by another and another. That is how an entire response is created, one small piece at a time. However, a model trained only to predict text may not behave like a helpful assistant. It might complete your sentence instead of answering your question, produce an unclear response, or confidently generate incorrect information. That is where fine-tuning comes in. During fine-tuning, the model is shown examples of questions and high-quality answers. It may also learn from human feedback, where people compare different responses and identify which ones are more accurate, useful, and safe. This helps transform a basic text prediction model into a useful AI assistant. Before the model can process your question, your words must be converted into tokens. A token is a small unit of text. It may be a complete word, part of a word, punctuation, or a combination of characters. These tokens are converted into numbers because neural networks work with numerical representations, not human language. The numbers pass through many layers of the neural network, where the model examines relationships between the tokens and predicts what token should come next. This is also why AI services often charge based on tokens. Both your prompt and the generated response require computation. Tokens also help explain why ChatGPT may seem to forget earlier parts of a conversation. Every model has a context window, the amount of information it can consider while generating a response. Think of it as a temporary working desk. Your prompts, previous answers, uploaded information, and instructions are placed on that desk. But the desk has limited space. As the conversation grows, older information may be removed, summarized, or excluded. The model has not forgotten it like a human memory. The information may simply no longer be inside its active context. This is why clear prompts matter. If your prompt is vague or missing important context, the model has to guess what you intended. And because an LLM generates statistically likely text, it can sometimes produce an answer that sounds confident but is wrong. This is called an AI hallucination. The model is not intentionally lying. It is generating a plausible answer without knowing whether every claim is true. That is why important AI-generated information should still be verified. So here is the complete process. You enter a prompt. The prompt is divided into tokens. The tokens are converted into numbers. The neural network processes those numbers using patterns stored in billions of parameters. The model predicts the next token. Then it repeats that process until the response is complete. It may feel like magic, but underneath the interface, it is mathematics, probability, training data, and billions of calculations happening incredibly fast. An LLM does not think exactly like a human.
But by becoming extremely good at predicting language, it can produce results that look remarkably intelligent.